Hey, it's Rose. Hope you're feeling good today.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. It just can't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'll be the Sans Rose Basemera back with another video. So I'm spending 2 nights at Heritage Safari Lodge, and I'm going to take you guys around to see it. It's like living in nature. So stay with me. Let's have a quick tour right now.
But if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love you, see the way to me, I do the way I've seen her.
The restaurant, we normally eat from here. I'll take you guys and show you guys a bit more. Now this is the natural view. More rooms, they're like hut like, and the lake is right over there. Guys, check what's inside here. This is the reception. You see, beautiful, just amazing. This is where you're coming to sign when you're getting into this place.
There is a kind of stillness you only find near the water body. A softness in the air that tells you're far from everything familiar. This is Heritage Safari Lodge, and out here, silence has the story of its own. The lodge sits right on the edge of the Murchison Falls National Park, built with local textures, warm colors, and an energy that feels grounded. The staff greet you like family, and somehow it already feels like home.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. To go out for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the white.
Everywhere you look, nature breathes with you. The paths are quiet, just the sound of your footsteps and the wind moving through the grass. I found a swing, the kind that makes you forget you're an adult for a moment.
And I know that careful, that the baba frayo, maayo, don't cry yo. And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go I did what I got on that kill so bomber. I did try to buy moto Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bonner. Now some more to remain with that feel all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last
have a lantern lamp. This is room number 10 to 15. This is my hat. That's my lamp. I'm sorry. Let's go into my house for the day. You see the vibes it's giving already? You see the vibes it's giving already? You see. Check it out. This is it. Let's take out inside now. My room. This is it from here. This is my bed. You see I have a fan. It's really small, like as you saw the hat from outside. It's small, and yeah, I don't mind my whole. This is me. Yeah, bed with a net, because yeah, mosquitoes be mosquitoing. We have a piece of art. So there is, these are my things, self-contained, as you could see. There is that, you see, and then a little shower. There's a heater, and we have this. This is how our bathroom looks like. And this is me in my room. This is me in my room. I do have a mirror, as you could see. I have a mirror right here. So yeah, this is my humble abode. This is my humble. So yeah, that was my room tour. This is my room. That's it. I have to go down there. They say I can go to the swamp, so I'm going to the swamp. From my room there is all this. Lake Albert, and yeah, there is a lot going on up to like room 15. They told me I could go down, even if the sky.
This isn't just a place to stay, it's where you pause before the next chapter of your journey, where peace doesn't need Wi-Fi and beauty doesn't try too hard to just be. Just Uganda in its quietest form.
Yeah, so guys, yeah, you have it there. That's a little resort tour. I'm getting the hang of it. I'm trying my best. It's my first time vlogging. I'm normally dancing, those who don't know. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. Bye.